Hi, I'm the one they call the Highway Groupie. And if you've been following any of my videos, whether it's in the kitchen, fixing computers, fixing cars, you never get to see my face, and now you know why. Who would want to look at it? But that's okay. The videos are not about me, they're about helping people. So who is the Highway Groupie? Well, the name came from Jackie Chernine. She used to be a radio host in Quebec City and now lives somewhere out near Winnipeg, I think. Anyway, because I worked on the road all the time as a technician, I would listen to her on the radio, so I sort of became known as her Highway Groupie. Anyway, Jackie, if you're out there somewhere, saying hi. Why do I like doing self-help? Well, I've been doing self-help books and now doing self-help videos. Been doing this for many years, nigh on to about 50 years now. Back in the 70s and 80s, I started writing books. Book, for example, From the Darkroom. It's now out of print because we don't use darkrooms anymore. In those days, we had darkrooms for printeries, and that's where the books were aimed at, helping printers making film and so on for printery, but now it's all done digitally, so those books are out of print. There were 2 volumes of From the Darkroom. There's another book, Stop, Don't Shoot. You may be suffering from hypoglycemia. That's gone into its 7th edition, and it is available on Amazon. And here's the cover, and there's the title right there. So it's a new title, How I Get Along Without Refined Sugar. So that is also available on Amazon. Another self-help book that is still in print and available on Amazon, I think it's in the 2nd edition, and that's Don't Look for a Job, Look for Work. And you'll see there's the cover there. It really helps people, especially in this environment when a lot of us are looking for work. It helps us to find something that will help to pay the bills, even if it isn't a regular job. That's why we don't say, don't look for a job, look for work. So that's a couple of self-help books that are still available. We also have fiction books, we have poetry. You'll see different titles showing up here, and those titles are all available on Amazon. So help yourself. You have to have Kindle. They're not in print, they're Kindle books. So now you know where the name comes from. I come from Canada. I was born in Toronto, but I lived in several different places in Canada, everywhere from Cayuga, Richmond Hill, Toronto, all the way out to Banff, Alberta. So I've been around a few places, lived in Quebec as well for 20 odd years. So I do speak French, worked in auto mechanics, worked as a technician, and as I mentioned, because of being a technician on the road, that's where the Highway Groupie name came from. So if you look at my videos, you have videos how to cook without refined sugar, videos how to fix computers, how to fix your car, how to fix the headlights on your car. So different videos that are available. I hope that they're helpful to you. That's the purpose, is to put them out there so that they would be helpful to you. I'm not endorsed by any of the products that you see that I mentioned, whether it's food or other products. I'm just happy to let you know about them. Okay, so you all have a nice day, and keep fit, keep well. Hi. If you enjoyed what you saw in that video, then please click the subscribe button over here. Yeah, that one. Click the subscribe button, please. And whenever I put a video up, you will find out about it. Please.